In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management. Full tutorial 2020 Daensha Jan 2025. Open your browser and head to clickup.com, then choose Login. For a quick start, select Continue with Google and pick your Google account to sign in securely. Once you're in, we'll create a dedicated area for your project. Click Create Space, give it a clear title like Construction Management so everyone knows what lives here. Then select Continue and confirm Create Space. A clean, specific name now saves confusion later when you're juggling multiple jobs. With your space ready, let's jumpstart the setup with a template. Click the plus icon, choose Templates, and use the search bar to find a construction or project management template that matches your workflow. Look for one that includes task statuses, phases, and useful custom fields. When you found a good fit, click Use Template and confirm Use Template to import everything. This brings in a pre-built structure so you're not starting from scratch. Inside your new hierarchy, open the section labeled Phase 2, Construction. This is typically where day-to-day site execution lives: mobilization, inspections, change orders, and punch items. Click into a few tasks to see how assignees, due dates, and attachments are organized. You can store drawings, specs, and photos right in tasks so the field and office are always aligned. Next, open Phase 3, Finalize. This phase usually covers commissioning, walkthroughs, warranties, and handover. Reviewing these phases helps you confirm the template matches your deliverables and closeout process. Switch to the board view for a visual pipeline of work. Find a task like Sign Agreement and open it to preview details. Back on the board, drag that card across columns so its status reflects reality, moving from To Do to In Progress and then to Complete. This drag and drop workflow is fast, keeps your status consistent across views, and reduces the need for update meetings. If something lands in the wrong column, just drag it back. The status updates everywhere automatically. Open the budget view to keep costs front and center. Use the fields provided by the template to enter planned amounts and actuals for labor, materials, and subcontractors. Accurate, consistent entries here make your reports reliable and help you spot overruns early. Now head to Schedule to review timelines, then Open Plan. These views give you a calendar or Gantt-style perspective of start dates, due dates, and the sequence of work. Scan for overlaps or gaps and make sure timelines reflect site conditions and lead times before crews mobilize. That's it. You've logged in, created a space, installed a template, reviewed phases, managed tasks on a board, updated budgets, and checked schedules. Everything you need to keep your construction projects organized and on track.